I'm starting out my video recording on the cheap, and one of the ways that I'm keeping costs down is to not buy new equipment, but just use stuff that I already have at my disposal. For instance, this hand-me-down Rode VideoMic. It's an N3594, and it's perfectly fine as a shotgun microphone. It's got a nice little camera mount and a 9-volt battery supply, and it just plugs straight in through a 3.5mm phono jack. But one of the issues is these rubber bands here that typically come with it, which are usually little specialized black rubber bands. And in this case, they've broken, most of them, and so I've tried to replace them with, in this case, what are tiny little rubber bands, probably intended originally for braces, but they just don't cut it. There's too much slop, and there's an audible crunching sound if I wiggle the microphone as the rubber bands move over each other. But fortunately, I've managed to find a cheap alternative at Amazon. I thought I would give some simple rubber O-rings a try, and searching for O-ring at Amazon brought up heaps of results, so I added ID and OD to my search to show that I was interested in the inner and outer diameter respectively. I trawled through what came up, and I found two in particular with an outer diameter of about 13mm that I thought would be suitable. This one with a thickness of 2.4mm, and this one with a thickness of about 1.8mm, and at a combined cost of about $11 Australian, I decided to give both a try. Clearly the 2.4mm option is much firmer, and I ultimately decided these were the right choice. If you'd like to buy a cheap pack of these or similar bands, I've provided a link in the description below so you can find them on Amazon. So I set about attaching the 8 bands required. It's not clear how durable this will be in the long run, and I'll admit these were at times a bit tight to apply, but it seems this was a good choice, and the shock absorbency of this microphone is now quite effective.
And so there you have it. Hopefully this video has been useful to you. Good luck and see you next time.